Jim, you bugger you. Your challenge. You say that I said I was good at it. I say cobblers. I never said that once. What I said was I did 15, got bored and went to the shop, because 3 minutes is a bloody long time. So I'm just going to have a little ride. I'm going to buy you a wooden spoon, put a little pink bow around it, and when we meet I will put it somewhere for you. Okay, fair enough. Whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, still as boring, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, that wasn't quiet, 17, and a nice little harbour over there in Gate, isn't it? Right in the middle of nowhere. Lost count now, another one. And another. And another. That crosswind is getting me now. And another. And another. And another. And another. I've no idea when 3 minutes is going to be up, but I bet I haven't done a minute yet. And another. Wind is a bit. Woo! And another. Grass. And another. Oh, and another. That wasn't one. Somebody's brake disc on the floor there. Probably come out their car. Starting to get bored, Jim. I'm going to go to the shop in a minute. It's a hardware shop I want to go to. It's that little wooden spoon. Wind's on the other side now. Bolt on the floor. I might come back for that. Useful looking 4-inch bolt. The secret is not the stopping. Stopping is easy, and that momentary balance. The secret is not stalling the bugger when you pull off. So many people tend to snatch at the clutch to pull away. I'll let you count them, Jim. You're the adjudicator. Whee! Whee! Jim's slow challenge. 1 stop. 2 stop. 3 stop. I'll wait for a car to come. 4 stop. 5 stop. 6. 7. 8. Got a van coming. Oh, it's toss pot. I've lost count now. There's another one. And another one. And another one. But the cars come past. And another one. Anybody keeping count of these? Because I'm getting pretty bored. And another one. The road's suddenly fucking busy. Sorry, suddenly very busy. These 2 go. And another one. And come, he's hammering. And another one. And another one. And another one. And another one. And one more. Ooh, nearly lost the balance there.